Efteling is a fantasy-themed amusement park in Cotteschoevel, the Netherlands. The attractions reflect elements from ancient myths and legends, fairy tales, fables, and folklore. The park was opened on May 31, 1952. It evolved from a nature park with a playground and a fairy tale forest into a full-sized theme park. It now caters to both children and adults with its cultural, romantic, and nostalgic themes, in addition to its wide array of amusement rides including 6 roller coasters and 4 dark rides. It is the largest theme park in the Netherlands and one of the oldest theme parks in the world. It is twice as large as the original Disneyland park in California and predates it by 3 years. Annually, the park has more than 5 million visitors. In 2020, it was the most visited theme park in Europe, before Disneyland Park, Paris. Efteling is one of the oldest theme parks still in existence. Its roots go back to 1935, when the Arche Sport and Wandelpark was inaugurated. In 1950, Efteling Nature Park Foundation, Stichting Natuurpark de Efteling, was founded by the mayor of Loon op Zand, R.J. van der Heyden, filmmaker Peter Reinders, and designer-artist Anton Pieck. The foundation was named after a 16th-century farm named Ersteling. Efteling officially opened on May 31, 1952, when the fairy tale forest, designed by the famous Dutch illustrator Anton Pieck, was open to the public. Initially, the fairy tale forest was home to some 10 different fairy tales, all of them brought to life using original drawings by Pieck alongside mechanics, lighting and sound effects designed by the Dutch filmmaker Peter Reinders. The life-size dioramas, displayed together in an atmospheric forest, were a tremendous success. In 1952 alone, Efteling welcomed 240,000 visitors.